I need to write these 5 numbers in order of size. So let's just get an idea of some way of comparing these. I've got 2 to the power 0, which I know anything to the power 0 is just 1. I've got root 2. Well, I know that the square root of 1 is 1, and I know that the square root of 4 is 2. So the square root of 2 is going to be somewhere in between 1 and 2. In fact, I know it's 1.4-ish, but all you need to worry about really is it's between 1 and 2. We've got half, which is obviously the same thing as 0.5. We've got 2 to the power minus 2. Now 2 squared would be 4, but that minus means it's 1 over 4, which is the same thing as 0.25. And then over here we've got 1 over root 2. If we rationalise that to make it so it's a bit easier to see what the decimal equivalent would be, so I'm going to times top and bottom by root 2. 1 times root 2 is root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Excuse me. So root 2 divided by 2. Well, remember how I said that root 2 was roughly about 1.4? So if I half that, I'll get something that's about 0.7-ish. So let's write these in order of size. The smallest number here is the 0.25, or the 2 to the power minus 2. Then it's the 1/2. Then it's the 1 over root 2. Then it's the 2 to the power 0. And root 2 is the biggest of those 5 numbers. Part B, we need to simplify 2 over root 2 to the power 3. So the power 3 means 2 cube it. So I've got 2 over root 2 times 2 over root 2 times 2 over root 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. I've got root 2 times root 2, which is just 2. So 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2. I can see straight away that the 8 and the 2 will simplify. And now I'm just going to rationalise this, so times top and bottom by root 2. And I'll get 4 root 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 2 root 2.